Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your existing account on the Coin98 Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coin98 Wallet application on your device. And if you have not already added any account, you will directly be taken into the login page. Otherwise, you can also click on your existing wallet username and then click on the Add Wallet option. From here, you can use your wallet kind and then click on the Continue button. Now, once you choose your wallet type, you will see the Restore button at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and click on it, and you will now be asked to enter your wallet name as well as the seed phrase. Just type in the name of your wallet that you have given while creating your wallet, and then enter the seed phrase within the seed phrase box. If you don't have the seed phrase of your wallet and you have a QR code instead, then you can tap on the QR code icon and then scan this code in order to enter your seed phrase. You can also copy and paste by using the paste button. After entering both your name and your seed phrase, you can tap on the Restore button and your wallet will be added onto your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to restore your existing wallet on the Coin98 application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.